Hi Kamara babes, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kanita, and if you are new, welcome. So the hair that I will be doing today is from Hertune store. This is a body wave 20-inch glueless 4x4 lace closure wig. It's also 180 density. The type of hair this is, y'all know I love Brazilian version. It's also pre-plucked bleached knots with baby hairs. It also has a natural color. You guys, this hair was only $70. I'm thinking $70.99, but y'all, they also have a 30-inch for $189. Y'all, when I say this hair is beautifully made, super thick with a check mark, lace laid so beautifully. It don't really know what it is, but you guys, it laid perfectly. If you are a beginner, this is where I would tell you to start, is a 4x4, because it teaches you a little bit better before you get into the whole frontal. So the 4x4 is what I would recommend, so you will practice and do better on that. This is very, very easy. Plus, you guys, this is some good hair. Putting through distraction, honey, this is it. So when I say run to that description box, run to that description box. As you guys see, it's beautifully made. It also has that thick cap, which I love. The extra security with the combs, front and back. Also, you can't beat this price, you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for the video.
Glorilla. Whew. Hey. On the gun. On the gun.
He got 99 problems and the biggest one is me. He got all of these little bitches and the biggest one is me. Keep a mug up on my face, I know they tryna get to tea. I don't be fucked up by nothing, cause I be smoking weed. It's cool to have a man, but there ain't some I need, sweetie. If you want the buddy back, you gotta tell me please. Money long check, pussy good check,
Let go.
mama straight check. Right now I'm feeling blessed. Right now I'm on that yes, and now I'm planning on letting up. We probably won't be popping shit if nobody was mad at us. I'd rather get a people hope. It's pointless to be giving fucks. Creeping around my neck look like my ops when they be linking up.
Cause they peace.
Hey, I'm in Cali, now I'm in NYC, on the way to MIA.
Where you from?
But I'm from Tennessee, living in the suburbs now. I still got rash tendencies. I'm juiced up now, they throwing shots. I still be drinking Hennessy. My yellow bumping ass, I'm feeling like a speed bump. All these labels watching, looking at me like I need her. My cousin in a toxic situation, need to free her. See me at the top, a hoe can't pay me shit to meet up.
On the gun.
Bills paid, check.
Let's go.
Edges slay, check.
Yup.
Bitches hating, yup. Do it phase me, pussy clean, yup. You shop on Sheen, yup. They making mean. On the gun, he got 99 problems and the biggest one is me. He got all of these little bitches and the biggest one is me. Keep a mug up on my face, I know they tryna get to tea. I don't be fucked up by nothing, cause I be smoking weed. It's cool to have a man, but there ain't some I need, sweetie. If you want the buddy back, you gotta tell me please. Money long check, pussy good check,
Let go.
mama straight check. Right now I'm feeling blessed.
She got 99 problems, I can solve every one. She got 9 to 10 niggas, I may rob every one. I'm a North nigga, rep them 3 numbers, now on 1. Man, I'm paranoid, I ain't going nowhere without a gun. When I tell her all that blick is stand up sticking out her purse. And she know I fucked her friend, but we tryna make that shit work. And we both come from the bottom. Matching APs, rockin' Prada. I may let her count a couple $1 million, get that pussy wet. Nigga, you a gangster on the internet. 99 ops, but where your shooters at? Y'all shooting at? I got 99 soldiers, and I can feed everyone. All the guys that got a bun, I freed everyone. I got 5 or 6 homes, I got 10 or 12 cars. I ain't tricking to no beef, I taking my niggas behind bars. She say I'm thinking with my dick, I guess I'm thinking really hard. Cause I give a bitch a check before I give a hoe my heart.
He got 99 problems and the biggest one is me. He got all of these little bitches and the biggest one is me. Keep a mug up on my face, I know they tryna get to tea. I don't be fucked up by nothing, cause I be smoking weed. It's cool to have a man, but there ain't some I need, sweetie. If you want the buddy back, you gotta tell me please. Money long check, pussy good check,
Let go.
mama straight check. Right now I'm feeling blessed. Right now I'm feeling blessed. Right now I'm feeling blessed. Right now I'm feeling blessed.
slide on the op. Hating didn't work, so they lied. These bitches looking hurt and they fried. I know they wouldn't miss them if they died. Tell them move. New Chanel on my body, it's a boost. I'm so poppin', I don't ever gotta get introduced. One thing I never call a bitch for, it's a truce. Yeah, I can't wait to put that bitch to use. Ooh, checks coming fast, sound like swoosh. Ooh, give him to them straight, 100 proof. I thought I killed you hoes before, it must be deja vu. It's either that or I'm catching body number.
This that pop music, this that drop location, drop a op music. And this ain't for them niggas in the house, this shit for Glock you. And don't talk down on trenches hoes who known to be a cock you. This that pill talk, gotta bust his head, he cut on op music. Who said you game? Who said you could come around this bitch and hang? And I fucked your baby mama and I ain't say a thing. Just came outside in 2020, pull up in that 21. I pick my side, switches fully, and I'ma die for 21. I got plenty cars, I hit plenty stars and then it come. I said it plenty times, I pay for bodies, I ain't pay for none. You think I'm finna leave my bitch for you? She fuck Future too. I know that Vaughn hit her, she put up on my block and Jimmy Choo. Schmirk.
Ooh, checks coming fast, sound like swoosh. Ooh, give him to them straight, 100 proof. I thought I killed you hoes before, it must be deja vu. It's either that or I'm catching body number 2.
Piggy swear you ain't scared when you heard yeah appear. I'ma hop about the bushes, me and Pusha kill your man. I'm just saying now I start to get used to the pain. Till one day I said, fuck it, brought my masseuse on the plane. Why you playing? Reaching the game, lose a hand. Where you stand? Where was Jay at? Where was them at? Where he done that? Where he live at? Another headline, where you had at? Nigga, go home, where your kids at? They be on my nerve, they be on my nerve. When we lost Verge, I was on the verge. I just hit the Louis store, had to splurge. We just made a silent movie with no words. Guess who topping now? God got me now. Guess who at Balenciaga? Guess who shopping now? They can't stop me now. I've been popping now. Cardi, where your sister at? I need Henny now. I flew in and out, 150,000.
Hi, you guys. As you guys can see, this is the end result. So I didn't really talk through this video, you guys, because I had went on a whole whirlwind with this hair. But as you guys can see, this is some very pretty hair. I've been doing a lot, so it's looking a little, you know. But overall, this is some beautiful hair. If you looking for a good unit, honey, this is it. Run to that description box because this is going to hold you. You guys, I dyed this hair, oh my God, maybe 3 to 4 times. I still didn't get any shedding. It's still bouncy. Still really pretty. Y'all, this is a good unit. This, nobody can say, oh, you just use it, so this is a... No, honey. I put this hair through the test, and I know I didn't get everything on clip. As you guys see, in one of those clips, I had the little twist because I had been wanting to try that. I seen it on Instagram, and I had been wanting to try that style. But y'all, my light just stopped. It really did just go. Really, doing the video, really, give me a minute. Okay, so I'm back. But you guys, as you guys see, I have been trying to try that style. I think this is why I left off. I've been wanting to try that style. So I left it on the mannequin, y'all, because when I put it on, no, it is a real pretty style on certain people, I'm guessing. I don't know. But it just went for me. And it took a little while because y'all know with these nails and me trying to twist with some weaving. Okay, I guess y'all get it. Y'all get it. So I was like, no. So I went back, y'all, and I re-dyed it. And then I had green up here. And it was another color. Yeah. So I went in. I didn't want to give y'all a long video. So that's why I didn't clip them. But I do the same routine. Y'all, so technical difficulties today. So, but I did my normal process as I normally do. This still is the same unit. I just went in with my cherry red. I still use the purple, as you guys can see, and just like made tints of where I wanted to be because I did not want to go with that blue and then the green up there. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this hair's been dyed like multiple times and it still just remains so pretty. So, honey, when somebody's telling you that and somebody put that much destruction to a unit, run to that description box and get this hair, honey. It is pretty. It's pretty and it's not giving up, y'all. This is going to be a long time unit where you can wash it, dye it, do what you want to do multiple times, looking like. But I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. Try either one of these styles with these colors. So you got 2 hairstyles in this video, honey. 2. So again, I did adore the first hairstyle. And I'm loving this one. Y'all know this is more me. Yeah, I've been going through these colors. So that's what y'all gonna get a lot of these videos, because I've been wanting to experiment, like what color's making this color's making this, without just, you know, yeah, that's what we doing. We doing a lot of dyeing and I'm loving it. So y'all make sure, go check those Instagram pictures out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, I love you, ladies.